Hello everyone. Today we'll be showing you all our new lightweight collection.
లైట్ పింక్ కలర్లో ఉన్నాయి. లైట్ పింక్ అండ్ ఎమరాల్డ్ బీడ్స్లో కలెక్షన్ ఉంది. మొత్తం బీడ్స్ చోకర్ ఉంది. 18 గ్రామ్స్ ఓన్లీ నెక్లెస్ లాగానే వేసుకోవచ్చు, చోకర్ లాగానే వేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది మొత్తం ఎమరాల్డ్స్ అండ్ రూబీ ఎమరాల్డ్స్ ఇచ్చిన ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ సైడ్లో మొత్తం పాల్స్ అండ్ చిన్న చిన్న ఎమరాల్డ్స్ ఇచ్చిన ఉన్నాయి. సైడ్లో సైడ్ ఫినిషింగ్ ఓకే. సేమ్ దానికి కాంబినేషన్లో సేమ్ ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి.
How much is?
ఇయర్ రింగ్స్ 11 గ్రామ్స్ ఓన్లీ. Total set approximately 30 grams only.
30 grams total set
Total set
with earrings.
with earrings.
And size is also almost 2.5 inches it is.
Locket big size almost. మీకు కావాలని ఇట్లా చూడొచ్చు. సైజ్ కోసం మీకు ఐడియా వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి చోకర్ ఓన్లీ 19 గ్రామ్స్ రూబీ ఎమరాల్డ్ కాంబినేషన్లో వచ్చిన ఉన్నాయి. మొత్తం స్టోన్స్ ఎమరాల్డ్స్ అండ్ పోల్కి సీజర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. టోటల్
18 to 19 grams lightweight choker.
రూబీ ఎమరాల్డ్ కాంబినేషన్లో ఉన్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ పికాక్ కాంబినేషన్ రూబీ ఎమరాల్డ్ బ్రైడల్ చోకర్.
How much weight?
వెయిట్ అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 25 గ్రామ్స్ ఓన్లీ.
Only 25 grams lightweight choker. For price detail you can WhatsApp us madam. We'll give the detail of the item. Only 25 grams. Very lightweight. Next one.
నెక్స్ట్ పికాక్ కాంబినేషన్.
This is very beautiful piece. Only 21 grams. This is the lowest weight choker. Only 21 grams. With scissors and pulse combination. Next.
రూబీ చోకర్
This is very beautiful piece.
ఓన్లీ 25.
Crafted in lightweight from diamond style.
24 గ్రామ్స్ అండి.
How much? 24 grams. Only 24 grams. This is very beautiful piece. Only 24 grams.
బ్రైడల్ చోకర్.
This is bridal choker. This is also made in very lightweight, approx 25 to 26 grams only. This is in continuous sale. Only 25 grams. Emerald and scissors and pearls combination.
ఇది ప్యూర్ గ్రీన్ చోకర్ ఉంది.
This is how much? 17.
ఓన్లీ 17 గ్రామ్స్.
Only 17 grams. This is
బిగ్ సైజ్ చోకర్
in lightweight. Only very lightweight. Only 17 grams.
అండ్ హెవీ లుక్.
This can be customized in ruby also. This is in emerald.
బ్లూ స్టోన్స్.
And this size it will be approx 1.5 inches. Only 17 grams. This is. Next we have beads jewelry choker.
కోరల్ చోకర్ అండి. కోరల్ చోకర్ చాలా డిమాండ్ ఉంది ప్రజెంట్ అండి.
Present this is a very new piece and unique style. Only 20 grams. We got many response for this piece. Last week only this piece came. All the jewelry is 22 carat madam. 22 carat 916 hallmark jewelry. No copper based or 18 carat. Only 22 carat. This is just 20 grams. Coral choker.
నెక్లెస్ టైప్ అయినా వేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది కొంచెం ఒక టైప్ టూయింగ్.
This is choker stone.
చోకో స్టైల్. బీట్ చోకో.
This is beast choker. It is made very unique piece, just at 10 grams. Only 10 grams. Only 10 grams. This is somewhat unique style. And
Changeable.
how much? Is it?
ఓన్లీ 9 grams.
This is only 9 grams
And
with
stone
changeable
is-
stone. The stone is changeable: red, green, and blue. We'll give 3 colors option. The stone can be changed. This is also very lightweight piece, only 9 grams. In 9 grams, it will be very beautiful piece. This is also in continuous cell, very beautiful piece. Next we have how much?
ఓన్లీ 5 grams.
This is just 5 grams.
చోకో.
Only 5 grams. In this we have all color: red, green, blue. 4 colors we have. 4 colors are available. This is green. This is pink. Purple. Keep on like
డార్క్ గ్రే.
This is in green. In all color combination we have available. And
Coral.
second is coral.
Coral.
Only 5 grams. Very lightweight. Only 5 grams choker. You can see the look. It will be very beautiful.
సైడ్.
It will not look like 5 grams. It will look like 10 to 15 grams heavy style. Just 5 grams. This is in green. 5 colors we have. Next we have this choker. How much?
10 grams ఓన్లీ.
This is only 10 grams. This is also lightweight choker. Only 10 grams. These all are green potas and Caesar stones. And these are pearls and ruby stone, ruby beads. This is also very lightweight. How much weight?
18 grams ఓన్లీ.
This is 17 to 18 grams with earrings.
With earrings.
These all are green carving stones, and these are pumpkin beads. This is also one of unique piece. Only 17 to 18 grams with earrings. Earrings are also almost 1 inches in size, big size. Next again same running piece we have. Only 6 to 7 grams I think. Only 7 grams with changeable stone. In this also same red, green and blue 3 colors changeable it will come. In 7 grams with changeable. This is our starting choker, and present also it is very trending piece. Always will have in stock this piece. Next we have the lowest weight choker. How much is it? 3 grams.
ఓన్లీ.
Only 3 grams. 3 grams lowest weight choker. Only 3 grams this is. In this we have many other pieces. 2.5 to 3 grams we have other range also. Red, green, blue. 3 colors it is available.
6 grams ఓన్లీ.
Next we have this piece. Lightweight choker. Only 6 grams. This is also very beautiful in lightweight. Only 6 grams.
Eight grams.
Next we have this pearl choker. Only 8 grams. Kundan style. It is made in the Kundan style, but these all are Polki scissors. Only 8 grams. This is almost 7 grams.
7 grams.
This is 7 grams only. This is also changeable. Red, green, blue. 3 colors you will get changeable. This is also very beautiful. only 7 grams. Next, this is only 9 grams.
Changeable stone.
Only 9 grams changeable stone with tops. In this red, green, blue, 3 colors you will get. 3 colors are changeable. It is easy to change the stone also. Only 9 grams with tops. We have many other lightweight collection also. You can visit our store for all the collection. We'll do next video on lightweight necklaces also. So this is our today beads collection and choker collection. Thank you everyone for joining our live video. Thank you very much.